Lok Sabha MP Dr. Bimol has asserted to stand against further extension of President's rule in Manipur despite having adequate BJP MLAs for formation of government. The MP further maintained that it is better to call for a new election if the current legislators are unable to form a popular government that represents the interests of people. Commenting on the upcoming monsoon session of Parliament, which starts from July 21, MP Bimol informed that preparations have been completed to raise 4 issues in the upcoming Parliament session, which include the question on how internally displaced persons will be allowed for resettlement at their homes with dignity by December, as announced by Chief Secretary. The MP will also raise a question on the ambiguity surrounding the buffer zone policy and misgovernance. While expressing doubt on the plan of state administration to shut down relief camps by December 2025, MP Bimol maintained that the plan lacks clarity, especially for those IDPs from More and Chudachandpur. The MP asked how many prefabricated houses will be constructed to accommodate IDPs who cannot immediately return to their homes. He added that government has a moral and constitutional responsibility to ensure safe and dignified resettlement of all IDPs. Speaking about the issue concerning buffer zone, Dr. Bimol reiterated that while the government claims there is no such demarcation, the reality is far different. He added that free movement is still restricted, and this is a clear violation of Article 15 and indicates a de facto communal division in the name of maintaining peace. Speaking further, the MP also criticized government's failure, which he witnessed during Disha meetings, and assured to bring these lapses to Parliament's attention. The MP also invited suggestions from people of the state on issues they feel need urgent attention at the national level.
Fundamentally, the president rule extend to Mahutta, Nangi popular government, I'm same the Luri, but the Kadobogi Simangam Dino, majority Yao. Nakoina Miangi Mende Pan about the Nuinakadobogi, Sakar Simangam Dino. President rule, I say alien, nothing but the bureaucrat, the rent of whom comes to the Isagi, the Mitu Kanda, bureaucrat, Manipur cadre officer, Natal. Manipur Miang the president rule, even president rule the bureaucrat administrative key positions in there. I call this it's very unfortunate. Now I give me Mapan Gilam the Rantor and type to Tawlere. Karigumba publicly mandate says minor with the P gives a Nakunam, the Rasmani alien rule, president rule, popular government, a fine in the same Ambragati, dissolve. Let's have a fresh mandate.